In the Kitchen is brought to you by Food Services of America.
Just leave it low.
8:13 now. Good morning. Welcome back to KREM2 Morning News. We are in the kitchen this morning. KREM2 is partnering with Food Services of America to introduce you to local chefs and inspire you to get cooking at home. Chef Alexa Wilson with FSA is here with us, as well as Adam Hegsted. You're kind of a pioneer here in the Spokane area, and you have a new restaurant opening up very, very soon.
We do. Incrediburger Eggs.
That's right, and it smells so good this morning. You're cooking up some fresh burgers for us this morning. Now, what makes this stand apart?
So this is a little different from our other concepts. It's very approachable, but it's also the same quality of ingredients. So we have something that's a little bit faster, a little bit quicker service, but the same quality of ingredients that we use in all our other restaurants.
So Jen, check this out. They make their own American cheese.
You guys make your own cheese. Okay,
yes,
that's
from scratch.
From scratch. Yeah. That's pretty much unheard of, I feel like, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty rare.
Well, we like the meltability of the cheese on our burgers. Is like being able to have this like really creamy cheese on top of there, but we wanted the flavor of a 2-year aged cheddar. So what we did is we used a 2-year aged cheddar to make American cheese, and that's what we use for our burgers and egg sandwiches.
And where does the egg come in? I know we've heard of burger joints and whatnot, but I feel like this is a unique combo.
Yeah, so we wanted to have be able to have breakfast and lunch and dinner. So we did kind of our take on breakfast sandwiches. So we have these. These are what we're doing today. This is our pancake bun, but we also have a regular fresh baked bun as well.
Sorry, pancake bun?
Pancake bun, right.
Okay, I've never heard of that.
And you're baking all those in-house?
Yes, we're baking all those in-house. Yep.
That's awesome. Somebody gets up really, really early.
That was Aaron, actually.
Thanks, Aaron.
He's doing the heavy lifting over there this morning, cooking up.
Yep.
So what exactly is this dish right here?
Okay, so we're going to start off with our, this is our, we call it our panwich. So it's the pancake bun. It's Vermont maple syrup. We bake the buns, take them out of the oven, and then we brush them with a little bit of butter, and then put a little bit of this syrup on top of the bun.
And that's the real stuff, right?
This is the real stuff, yeah.
No Aunt Jemima going on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is this homemade too? Are you guys doing that?
I wish, but no. Then American cheese goes on next.
Now, how long does it take you to make your own cheese?
It doesn't take that long.
Really?
It's not as difficult.
I was just curious. Okay.
You're not aging the cheddar for 2 years first?
We're not.
It's been a long time coming, this project.
Yeah. And this is our, these are cage-free eggs. And
oh, yeah.
Applewood smoked bacon.
Yum. It smells so good right now, by the way.
Yeah, I was on the way here, I was telling Aaron how hungry this is making putting this all together.
I was going to say, when you're making all this and you do it day in and day out, is there anything you ever get tired of, or is it just you're coming up with new ways to reinvent things?
Yeah. Well, and it's like hard to get tired of a burger. I mean, it's like pizza. You can have like a little different flavor every time. So this is it. I mean, this is our sandwich right here.
That looks amazing.
And I'll go ahead and cut it up. Should I cut it up in a second, or are you gonna?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Yeah. Brandon, you have the camera there. You can zoom in and get a good shot of that.
You're going to get that egg yolk dripping out of there.
Oh, yeah.
Love it. Now, talk to us about the new location. You have a number of restaurants already. Do we know when people can start checking you out?
Yeah, we'll be opening in about a week or two. We're still working on it. It's down on First and Monroe in the old Dempsey's building. We have beer, wine, boozy shakes, all kinds of fun stuff going with the burgers as well.
Nice.
So
Wonderful.
I'll build one of these real quick for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And while we're at it doing that, do you have any other projects in the works now?
Yes, we're going to be opening up in Coeur d'Alene. We previously were running the cellar, and we closed it down to do a rebrand, and we're going to do sort of this all-day comfort food sort of restaurant on the upstairs, and then downstairs we'll do sort of a speakeasy sort of bar.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Another awesome place to sneak into, right?
Yeah. Exactly. Our director had a question for you, too. Can you repeat it in my ear?
Wants to know how thick that burger is.
Oh, yeah. I was going to say, he actually wanted to see how thick those burgers were.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, check that out.
Oh, it smells so good.
That's not any little tiny skinny burger. They're going to be designed to be big, thick bites like that?
Yeah, we wanted them a little bit, instead of having a flat burger, we wanted something a little bit thicker so it stays juicy in the center. We have a umami seasoning, which is like a sort of a mouth-watering sensation in your mouth. And so we mix that into our burgers, which is a little bit of dried mushrooms and some a little bit of nori powder and a couple other things, nutritional yeast. And what it does is it makes it very savory and makes your mouth water.
Yeah,
Oh,
no
that
doubt.
sounds
It
awesome.
certainly is. Well, we're running out of time here quickly,
All right.
but we will get all of this on KREM.com here or shortly if you want to check out any of the other menu items and maybe check out where, more details about the new restaurant.
Well,
So
thanks for
Adam
having us.
Hegsted, thank you so much for
thank you
coming
very
in
much.
today.
You
bet.
Incrediburger and Eggs opening up soon here in Spokane.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful. 8:18 on the clock now. We'll be right back.
In the Kitchen has been brought to you by Food Services of America.